Hey, good humans. Welcome back. Today I am going to demonstrate to you how to write the equation of a line that is going to pass through two given coordinate points. Let's picture a graph. And you have 2 points on the graph. And you need to write the equation of the line that can pass through those 2 points when you connect those 2 points. So when you connect those 2 points, it's going to be a linear graph. It's going to be a straight line. And so a straight line or a linear graph is usually in the form of y equals mx plus b. Now, we need to find the slope, which is the m, and we need to find the b, which is the b or the y-intercept. That is literally in the form of y equals mx plus b in order to write the equation. So we are going to need to use our slope formula to find the slope. So let's get right into this. So first, label our coordinates. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. And we need to find the slope, so we're going to write the slope formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the first step, as we said, and I'm going to write here steps, we need to find m, which is the slope. All right, that's the first step. So let's continue. M, we're going to substitute. Y2 is 8 minus y1, which is 4, over x2 is 2 minus 0, which is x1. So m is 4 over 2. So m here is 2. So we need this. We are going to need the slope. All right, that's step 1. All right, then step 2, we need to find b, which is our y-intercept, which is where the graph is going to cut or cross the x-axis. All right, step 2. So y equals mx plus b. We need to write our equation for the slope-intercept form. So we have y. We can choose any one of these two coordinates, but make sure you stick to the x value of 1 with the y value of that same one. Do not interchange them. So I'm going to use this first one, and my coordinates are 0 and 4. So my y is 4, and my slope is 2 from down there, and my x is 0 plus b. Then I need to multiply these out. So this is going to be 0 plus b equals 4. So b equals 4. All right. Then I need to go to step 3. So step 3 is that I'm going to substitute the m and b into y equal mx plus b. All right, so that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to write my y equals mx plus b. My y here stays. My m is 2. Keep my x there. Is not the coordinate we're talking about in this case. And my b is plus 4, which is 4. And that is the equation of my line passing through these two coordinates. Now you might say to yourself, but can I use this coordinate? Yes, you could have. And I'm going to demonstrate to you if you had used that coordinate. So you still have in the form of y equals mx plus b. And so y would be 8. Slope is 2. And x is 2 and plus b. So this is 4 plus b equals 8. Minus 4 on both sides is cancel out. B equals 4. So notice it doesn't matter. But the thing that you need to remember is that you cannot use the y coordinate on one point or one coordinate with the x on the other one. It must be the same. Do not interchange them. If you're using this coordinate, you use this coordinate, or the x and y of this coordinate. And if you're using this one, you must use the x and the y of this particular coordinate. All right, so I just wanted to stress that to you and point it out to you. So, I always give other examples so that you're versed and you can tackle any problem that comes to you. So I'm going to give you another example. I'm just going to get rid of some values that I have here and change up my numbers, and we're going to get into it because I want you to be versed when you're doing these problems. And so there are some other variations or situations where things are not normally the same as you think it would be. All right, so let's get right into it. And I'm going to change my values, my coordinates that I have. All right, I'm going to change my coordinates. So let's get into it. So now I'm going to use the coordinates. The coordinates I'm going to use is 6 and -4, and the next one is going to be -3 and 5. Okay, so they're already labeled, and you just need to now go ahead and find find the slope. So we have 5 minus -4 over -3 minus 6. Now you notice here that you have two negative signs side by side. You change this into a plus. All right, so now it's 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9 over -3 minus 6 is -9. So your slope here is simply -1 when you cancel out, okay? Because 9 goes into both and it's just -1. It's -1 over 1 or 1 over -1, same thing as -1. So now the next step that we need to do, so we already find M, we need to find B. So remember now we're choosing any one of the two coordinates to find B, and I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to use 5 here equal, the slope is -1 multiplied by -3 plus B. So I have my plus B here. This is going to be +3 equals 5. And I need to get rid of that 3 and bring it over to the other side. So I'm going to do -3 here. This cancels out. B comes down. B is equals to 2. So that is our B. And then we are going to do our third step, all right? Because remember, there are 3 steps. So the third step now is that we're going to write it in the form, use the slope-intercept form. So I'm going to substitute my slope, which is -1 x plus 2. If you find yourself putting a 1 in front of the variable, drop the 1. Drop it like it's hot. Or drop it like it's a hot potato, okay? Minus, so it's y equals -x plus 2. That is your equation. Meaning that the graph crosses the y-axis at 2. The coordinate there would be 0, 2. And the slope there would be -1. So that's what I have for today. And I hope that this lesson has helped you tremendously, and so that you'll be able to tackle any problem when it comes to writing an equation of a line given 2 coordinate points. Remember, follow the steps that I laid out here. Remember them. Remember your slope formula. You need to put that to memory in order to be successful. So, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button and leave a comment. Also, share my video with others around the world so they too can be knowledgeable in math and be successful. I'm here to help. I'm here to show you the simplest way to solve any math problem. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon on the other side. Bye now. Cheers.